For furniture and cabinet manufacturers, the way you package your products for transit is extremely important and often one of the biggest hassles. Your decision impacts your warehouse, packaging process, your bottom line, and the planet. On-demand packaging solutions streamline your packaging process by providing the right size box for each product on demand. The benefits of right sizing go far beyond the box. With PackSize, businesses are able to decrease product damages in transit by up to 25%. With right sizing, you're also able to optimize warehouse space, fit more products onto shipping trucks, increase productivity, and more. Automating your packaging process can also enable you to adapt to the challenges in the labor market. By partnering with PackSize, Country Wood successfully reallocated 75% of their workforce to other areas of their warehouse, reducing cost and improving job satisfaction. To learn more or to request an evaluation, visit PackSize.com.